And here we have a grid we're going to build for abundance and financial prosperity. So we'll start, as we normally do, with a clear quartz generator at the very center there. And then we will place our mini citrines. Citrine is one of the best stones for abundance, a very joyful stone. And it's important to bring joy in and happiness when you are talking about manifesting and abundance and things like that. So we'll move in a clockwise direction. Citrine is all about abundance of all kinds. And then we'll bring in these gorgeous green Aventurine points. So these resonate with the heart chakra, but also with joy and vitality, money and creativity. So we'll place these, I'm kind of pointing up at these citrine minis. And you want them right in the center of those flowers. Next, we're gonna bring in some tiger's eye, one of my favorites for willpower and strength and courage. Very important when you're manifesting, especially wealth generation. So we only have 3 of these, so we're gonna place these kind of in a triangular shape there. And then to complete the other triangle going the other direction, we're gonna use some pyrite chunks. And these will go on the opposite triangle. So we have a triangle here, and then we'll have a triangle facing downwards right here. And pyrite, also great for willpower and strength, courage, and energy to get things done and completed. It's a very vibrant stone, lots of positive energy there. And then we'll bring in some mini pyrites as well. But I think next I'm gonna build with 4 emeralds a little box in a square. So it's a little bit of a different shape than we usually do. But if you only have 4 of something, it's a shape you can do, just like a triangle. If you only have 3 of something, you can make a triangle one way and a triangle the other way. And with 4, you can make a box. So I'm gonna put them here and here. So it kind of boxes in these main stones that we've just laid. And emerald is also a great stone for abundance and really manifesting more wealth and more of something in your life. It's also the color of, money. It's the color green. You always want to put green in when you are doing anything for wealth. Green and gold are the classical feng shui colors for abundance. And then we have some pyrite minis. So we'll put those right there and every other. And I'm going to put it inside the little triangles. There we go. And then every other triangle here around. Then to complete it, I have these natural citrine generators. And it's fun also to play with different shapes. So here we have mini generators with the green Aventurine, and we're laying those down. So that has a different look than these. We're going to stand these up. So I'm going to put these on every other one going around the outside. Clockwise, setting these up because this is an activating direction. And you could have these laying flat as well. I just sometimes like to have some standing up and some laying down. But we're going for symmetry here. And there we go, that looks beautiful. Then, of course, we want to activate our grid. So you're gonna bring in your clear quartz wand or point and make sure you program it for your intention. So say in this example, we want to triple our income in the next 6 months. So you're gonna state that. And there's a couple different ways to state your intention. Like activation statements, you can say something like, I activate you to combine and amplify your energy for the purpose of tripling my income in the next 6 months. So, fill in the blank there. Then you will take your clear quartz wand, you can touch it to the central quartz and then touch it to your forehead. And then you can either touch every stone and then go in a clockwise direction all the way around and continue to touch the center one after you touch each one in the clockwise direction. Or the simpler way is to just touch the main stone, touch your forehead, and then hover over every single stone in the grid, moving in a clockwise activating direction until you get all the way around. Make sure you hover over every single stone, and then you can go ahead and spiral back inward, hovering over every stone again. Again, remembering your intention, your wishes, your manifestation wishes, your activation statement. Touch the central stone again, touch your forehead, and voila, there you have it, a beautiful grid for manifesting more wealth and abundance into your life.